I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to check your account statement on HSBC online, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Visit the HSBC website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your security device handy if you use one for two-factor authentication. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, find the Accounts tab on the main menu. This will lead you to a summary of all your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to view the statement. Click on the account name to access more details. Step 4. Access Statement View. Look for the Statement or View Statement option. This will take you to a page where you can see your recent transactions and statements. Step 5. Download or print. If you need a physical copy, you can download or print the statement directly from this page. Look for the download or print buttons. Remember, if you can't find your statements, double-check the date range settings on the statement view page. Sometimes it defaults to a shorter period. Happy banking!